Listen, hold on tight. We're taking a trip through your belly tonight. From bite to, you know where, oh boy. It's the Digestive Detour, come enjoy.
We start at the mouth, where the chewing's cool. Teeth break it down, that's the first rule. Saliva drops in with enzyme flare, breaking starches like it just don't care. Then we slide on down, no need to ask. Through the pharynx quick, like a secret pass. Wave hello to the epiglottis door. We're skipping the lungs, food's got more in store. It's a Digestive Detour, woo, let's go. Slide through the tube where the nutrients flow. Twisting and turning with a gurgly sound. We're on a ride deep underground. From mouth to stomach and stomach to gut, breaking it down with every strut. Get on the track and enjoy the show. It's the Digestive Detour, down we go. Welcome to the stomach, acid town. Churning food and breaking it down. Pepsin joins with a mighty splash. Proteins crumble in a chemical bash. Then we head to the small intestine line, where villi dance and enzymes shine. Pancreas drops in with a creamy wave, and bile from the liver comes in brave. This is part of Dr. Jany, no lectures. Jejunum, ileum, take a bow. You absorb the stuff, we don't know how. Vitamins, sugars, fats, alright. They hop the blood train full of pride. We're moving on to the colon wide, where water's pulled, waste is dried. Bacteria cheer and do their thing, breaking fiber like a gut king. Then to the rectum, final call. Get ready for the bathroom stall. One last push, the journey ends. You and your body, digestive friends. It's the Digestive Detour ride complete. From chewing up top to the toilet seat. Learned each stop along the track. Now your lunch won't be talking back.